Hey everyone, it's Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, I want to do an unboxing of the PathMate. It's a fold flat scooter made by Forcemech. This scooter can support 300 pounds of weight, battery range up to 15 miles on a single charge, 4 miles per hour top speed. It's also Airline approved. So let's get into it, show you what to expect when you receive this. Now, like with all of the Forcemech products, they have a checklist to ensure there's nothing missing. Got the serial number, so you're always going to have that in every product that you get from Forcemech. Nice styrofoam mold, not going to get damaged in transit, like highly unlikely. And I believe the scooter is already assembled. So we've got seat, here's the front basket. I'm actually going to pull this out. So yeah, here's your front basket. And yeah, this is the seats, which is already attached. So what I'm going to do is pause the video, take all this wrapping off, and get back to the rest of the video. All right, so we have unpacked everything. The total weight without the battery is 41 pounds. I thought it was with the battery, but it's 41 pounds with battery included. So still lightweight. So here's your tiller. I'm gonna put this up. So it's gonna arrive loose like this. You just wanna lock this in place, kind of get it out of the way. Here is your charger. Got the charger here. I'll set this out of the way as well. Now, here's your battery. So because it's Airline approved, this is what you would have to take off to bring on with you as a carry-on when you fly with this. Now you can see there's metal connectors here. You just connect it or line it up with this, and you just drop this right into place. The seat comes up. I believe this is the only position. Armrest, I'm going to flip these up like that. So that's how you would kind of move them out of the way, fold it. Put the seat back up. Here's your manual, which has your set of keys. So you can hear that beeping. The freewheel levers is engaged. I'm going to put this down into drive. You notice the beeping now stops. So now you can use the scooter. And then here's the front. I said it was a basket. It's kind of a bag. But you have this little area that lines up the front. This is how you attach this front bag slash basket. Yeah, it is nicer. It actually closes. You can zip it closed instead of being open. Pick up a lot of other baskets. So you got other little storage areas on the bag as well. I can secure it more into place right here using the Velcro. Now, on the tiller, this is just like the same tiller and controls that they have on the Liberty, which is another portable scooter they have. So you got your keys, your battery gauge, here's your speed control. Top speed on this scooter is 4 miles per hour. You've got your horn. You've got a USB charging port here, so you can charge your cell phone while you're riding the scooter. There's your port. And then you got a headlight. Really bright headlight. It's great visibility at night. So one thing I noticed here, if I have the headlight off, this rear tail light will be on, and then if I accelerate, it's going to turn off until I let off. But if I turn the headlight on, this will be on, and if I accelerate, it turns off when you accelerate.
Hey, just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is for our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website. Just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
Armrest also flips back to get out of the chair, or out of the seat rather. Yeah, no suspension on this. So there's not a release to power this off. There's not a release to actually, sometimes there's a button to release this. You just take your fingers inside, you just pull it straight out. That's how you would remove this. Got your anti-tip wheels here. And let me show you how to fold this. So first thing you're gonna do is this little, I guess you could say there's a little like rope. It's a spring attached to it, so it locks the seat in place. You pull this down, and the seat folds down just like that. You fold the seat back down just like that as well. And then you can adjust the tiller so it lays flat like this. And you can even pull this up. You want to tuck these out of the way. I'd probably take off the basket if I wanted to do that. Let me take that off actually. So I can pull this armrest up, kind of tuck these out of the way to make it more compact. And you've got a metal bar here. So when you're loading this into the back of like an SUV, you can distribute the weight. So I can lift up the front, and it's really not heavy in the front. This is pretty light. So I can lift this up, put it on the trunk of my SUV or like my truck or my van. And then once you have it set on there, then you can lift it up from the back and slide it in. And that's one of the benefits of these fold flat scooters. As far as unfolding, you can see pretty simple to do, which we pretty much did when we received the unit. Now, as far as charging it, there's only one way to charge. It has to be on the battery itself. So you don't have to bring the whole scooter in your house. You can just take this inside and charge it. The charger is going to turn green once it's fully charged. And then you can take it back out to your scooter. You leave it in your car or in your garage. So it's a nice feature that you can charge it off the scooter. I'll show you what I look like on this. I like to do this in a lot of videos so people have an idea. Put this basket back on. So I'm 6'4", I weigh about 235, so I'm under the weight capacity. Now, having my feet down here is not comfortable. I have a very good bend in my leg, but it's designed to be, you can put your feet up here on the wheel well. So I would ride like this probably. You can see my knees come up and hit the tiller. So this is okay, but I would think you probably need to be a little shorter, maybe a couple inches, maybe 6'2", or smaller if you want to really be comfortable in this. But it's a great little travel scooter. It's got a nice turning radius, and it's made by Forcemech. They're a great company. They have excellent support, really making a name for themselves in the industry, creating a lot of these portable, foldable electric wheelchairs and mobility scooters. I know there's some more coming up soon. They're going to release later this year. But if you have any questions about the PathMate, give us a call. We're open every day. Phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or you can visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. You guys have a nice day.